Hello and welcome. Hey, this is Jeff from Finally Learn. Today we're working on the net profit margin. Now the net profit margin is going to be net income divided by net sales. Now, one of the challenges in accounting and finance is there's so many different terms that explain the same thing. So net profit margin, generally, if someone says profit margin, then they mean the net profit margin, not the pre-tax or the operating or the gross profit margin. So net profit margin and profit margin are generally the same. And then it's also called return on sales. So our net profit margin or return on sales is net income divided by net sales. So it's the very top line, net sales, and the very bottom line, net income. So let's put it in our formula here. Net income is $29.40. Now, what's another term for net income? Well, you could call it net earnings or net profit. Or just simply, if they say profit, then they mean the net income or the net profit. So $29.40 is our net income. Our net sales are $40,000. So what is our profit margin, our net profit margin or return on sales? It's going to be $29.40 divided by the $40,000. And we need to put that in a percentage and give us a couple of decimal places. So the net profit margin in this example is 7.35%. So for every dollar of sales we get to keep, after we pay all our expenses and all the interest and all the taxes, we get to keep about 7 1/3 cents. So net profit margin or return on sales is 7.35%. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.